What's going on, guys? So we are out here in Las Vegas, Nevada at the Jayco kind of sneak peek event to their 2025 lineup. What we're looking at in front of us is a really cool floor plan. It's definitely been upgraded. It's got a lot of really nice features that I think you're going to enjoy. Hang tight, I'll be right back. Okay, so we're going to start from the inside of this unit, then we'll check out the outside. This is the 29RL. One thing, if you're watching these videos, every unit that I've seen so far appears to have a large solar panel on the roof. So I think solar is becoming pretty much standard on just about everything Jayco offers now, at least from what I've seen so far. When I get back to some of the other models, I'll let you know if that holds true. I'm going to step up the Lippert solid steps to get inside. You have a good sized sofa here in the back, and these really cool little end tables that plug in like that. As we pan around to give you a good interior view of what this thing's all about. I like this floor plan a lot, and I'll explain why. So you can see it's prepped for a TV. They got all the wires in place, but this has a very traditional L-style rear seating area and a TV that can mount in a position where everybody can see it because it swivels. So if you put it at a small angle, no matter where you're sitting at back here, you should have pretty good visibility if you want to watch TV, which is nice. You have a nice panoramic fireplace down here, as well as your sound system in the middle. And you have a window that is underneath your TV, so the TV's not obstructing your view outside. This has an Envision appliance package. You have your refrigerator, freezer, oven, stove combo, and your compact microwave and vent hood. All right, has a kind of a faux wallpaper material back here, but check out this window in front of the kitchen. That is massive. It's a huge window. It is a really nice setup right here, because even if you're watching TV, you can still even use this area as kind of a buffet or prep space. So if you're cooking hot dogs outside, you bring them in, you can set them right here. It doesn't take any of that space away from you. You have your pull-out drawers right here. A lot of cabinetry up top. Undermount stainless steel dual basin sink. A lot of storage under there. You could easily fit a couple large trash cans under here. A lot of drawers. They are not soft closing, but they still feel really nice because they're on really smooth ball bearings. You have your Envision refrigerator right here, and then your freezer beneath it. Cabinetry. I like that they use all magnetic holds on everything. Nice blackout blinds as well. Huge windows. I mean, just look at the window setup here. You have windows all around. If we count them, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 3 of them are huge. Plus you have even more on the other side. This is the type of unit that if you took out to a really scenic area, you would have a lot of visibility outside. Very nice. They give you a nice vent up top here, in addition to the Coleman Mach air conditioning system as well. A lot of puck lighting on the roof here as well, to the ceiling. Another huge window right here. This unit is all about windows. It's got tons and tons of them. So you have your TV right here, which has not been mounted yet. You have undermount basin sink, stainless steel. Good sized medicine cabinet as well. And this opens this side. Good sized shower. A lot of storage in here for toiletries and towels. It's a reasonable spot for a toilet paper holder. Probably moving it up one might have helped a little bit. Double towel holders. 30 amp charge controller. It looks to be a 200 watt panel up top. I'm not 100% sure, but that's what it appears to be. A lot of room around the end of the bed. You can easily walk back here. It's not like a shuffling motion. And check this out. You flip the switch. Isn't that cool? Queen size bed. Looks to be pretty thick too, the mattress. The mattress doesn't feel terrible. So that might be a mattress you could keep for a while. And it's certainly going to be lightweight, because they put very lightweight mattresses in these units. Got some storage underneath with the dual strut arms to hold it in place. You have wireless charging on each side of the bed, as well as some 110 outlets on each side as well. Huge windows in here, and you have some more storage up top, plus you have your cable and power connections and a backer for a TV right here. This unit only has one AC in it, but I bet it's prepped for two, so you could probably get this equipped with two. You have a nice sliding door right here for privacy in the master bedroom, as well as your wardrobe space right here. And it's nice wardrobe space. Let's open this up, take a look inside. It's a good amount of space with a nice hanging rod. Very cool. What do you guys think? Let's step outside real quick, take a look at the numbers on this unit, then talk about the outside. I know I usually lead with the numbers, but for some reason I forgot to. So this is going to have a gross vehicle weight rating of 8,650 pounds. It's going to have a cargo capacity of 1,360 pounds. And this actually already takes into account your propane cylinders, which is really nice. You can see the dry weight on this unit is 7,290 pounds. So they put all of these here to help you understand mainly what you need to do, as well as what you can tow this with. This has 15-inch E-rated Goodyear Endurance tires. In my opinion, this is 3/4 ton up towable. I would not put this behind a half-ton truck. Just too much tongue weight in my opinion, and you're going to run into a scenario potentially where the weight, length, height of this unit and width is going to possibly impact how you're able to tow it with most half-ton trucks. I just wouldn't do it. You have your scissor style stabilization jacks, again BAL frame. Looks like you could fit 2 batteries in here pretty easily, and it has a spot for 2 30-pound propane cans. So much larger propane cans, plus you have your power front tongue jack as well. Your pass-through storage access right here. I think they put a light switch in here. You have your aluminum flip-out steps up front. Cable, power for a TV that you can mount right here. On-demand water heating system outside of your furnace. This will be your tank fill. Good-looking wheels. Does not have an upgraded suspension equalizer. I do wish that they would put that in. Lippert solid steps. Again, this is a 29 RL. You have your LED lighting in the back, a ladder to get on the roof, wired for a Furrion wireless backup camera as well, plus a 2-inch receiver for accessories and things like that. You have your low point drain right here. This has 50 amp connectivity on it, so it is designed for 2 ACs, even though this specific unit only has 1. Outside shower. What's your opinion though? I'd love to know what you guys think of this unit. Please leave a comment below. If you haven't had a chance, please take a moment, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and we'll talk to you again very soon.